What's up, everyone? Tonight I got a great product. I've been watching a lot of people rip this, but the triple threads from Tops, 2 mini boxes in one box. But super excited to be breaking this box today with you guys. 2021 autograph and one relic card in every mini box. Hopefully we can pull one of these sick cards that I've been seeing people pull online. But hit that subscribe, hit that like. If you guys enjoy the content, please let me know. If there's things that you guys want to see, let me know, as I want to continue to break as much boxes with you guys as possible. But let's work through these boxes here. All right, so box one, box two. Let's start with this box here. It's got some little smashed, but hopefully there's no damage to the cards itself. Let's just open both of them. Make it easier. Got some of my fillers on the side. Really excited for this. Hope you guys are too. Let's get ripping. Can't recall the orders of these cards, but I will put some fillers here. Off the bat, I really like that first card. I've been a fan of this player for a very long time. It was sad to see him retire, but age does that to you, right? Father Time. I think hands down all-time best closer ever. All right, first card, Mariano freaking Rivera. Like it. I don't see his cards much, so to me that is an amazing pull right there. All right, second card, we've got a Cubbies, Rizzo, nope, Chris Bryant. Look at these cards, guys. Super nice cards. Okay. Third card. Is that Chapman? McGuire. There we go. I saw the A, so I thought it was Chapman. Okay. Some nice veterans coming out of this first pack here. All right, next card. Feels like a relic. CS3 TTR. Corey Seager. Hey, Seager Surge. 5 out of 36. I don't know about you guys, but this guy always looks like high as hell. But, you know, to all its own. Hell of a patch, though. Dual color. 5 out of 36. Come on, give me a monster. Ha-Seong Kim. Not the rookie I was looking for, but auto, 8 out of 25. Let's put these bad boys on here. All right, 2 cards left. We got a Ty Cobb, boys. Whoa. 122 out of 125. Ty freaking Cobb. Let's go. Yes. What a nice card. Okay. The last card. The stack. Should be another numbered, if I'm not mistaken. Pete Alonso. Yep. 106 out of 150. Take it. Fun fact, this guy likes to go hunting a lot. Alright, pack 2. See how this one pans out. Hopefully better than hey, there we go. Juan freaking Soto. Off the rip. So we had Mariano off the rip, Juan Soto off the rip. Okay, so nice Juan Soto base. Take it. Oh, Jackson. Yes. Oh. Okay. Wow. Casey Mize. Rookie. Feel like a relic. Leonardo Tavares. 3-patch RPA. Hey, there we go. 10 out of 25. Nice little corner patch up top. On card auto. I will take that. Let's go with our number cards. So we got JD Martinez, 198 and 199. Then we have a Jacob deGrom, okay, 249 and 259. Last pack. Last card magic. Let's go. Matt Chapman. Single double relic. That is with the Oakland A's. 3 out of 9. Okay. Game used. All right. Nice card there. All right. Well, you guys see that lineup? You got Chapman, far left. You got Seager, Ha-Seong Kim, Ty freaking Cobb, Pete Alonso, our RPA, Leody Tavares, some JD and deGrom, some base. We got a rookie, Casey Mize. We got some amazing vets. Mario Rivera, Mark McGwire, Bo Jackson, and Juan Soto. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate you guys joining me tonight. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. Looking forward to breaking more boxes with ya. Peace.